Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In the upcoming workshop, I'll focus on painting goldfish, but we will focus on the painting style inspired by Lingnan Master Zhao Xiaoan. And this is what we will be working on. So this is a particular style of painting goldfish that Master Zhao Xiaoan liked to work on, and his students, Master Henry Wu and Master Wang Nuizeng, also painted in this way. And so does his student, that's famous for painting goldfish, Mr. Lin Wuhui. So what we are going to do is we are basically trying to work on how to paint this in this style. And I will also show you after learning this style of how to paint this in the way of Zhao Xiaoan, we will also move to how to amend it to work on a variety of different species of goldfish inspired by Master Lin Wuhui. So pink goldfish in the Lingnan style will be what we'll focus on in this particular workshop. And of course, we will work a little bit on the anatomy of the goldfish so you understand what it is, but master the stroke of painting goldfish inspired by Master Zhao Xiaoan, Lin Wuhui, Henry Wu, Wang Ruizeng. So I hope you will join me in this particular workshop working on goldfish, the Lingnan style. Thank you.